the ultimate Amiga mouse. It's about worth the price of a kidney, and here it is. The A3000 pregnant mouse. There are two models. This is a 2-button version. There's a 3-button version for the 3000 UX, and if you look inside, it looks almost as if this was never used, which is pretty cool. Very happy to pick this up and to finally have it. It's yellow, and I will retro bright it. You can see it very well if I turn it like this, and there's almost no contrast to the buttons here, or very little.